Hi, my name is Andrew and I'm a DevOps Artisan trainer and I'm a geek, which means I have a strong background in computer science with a focus on networking. I've been teaching Cisco trainings for over 5 years, and since DevOps is the latest and the greatest buzzword now, for the past 2 years I've been conducting DevOps-oriented trainings. Over time, I have steadily migrated from the networking world to the DevOps one, so I grabbed some certifications along the way. Among these, many Cisco ones, including the expert level CCIE, then CISSP for information security, and VMware VCP. Now, since we mentioned DevOps, I'm also a Docker Certified Associate in Container Technologies, a Google Professional Cloud Architect with a focus on cloud infrastructure and services, and I'm also a Terraform Certified Associate from Hashicorp for cloud-based infrastructure as code. By the way, if you don't know what infrastructure as code is, then it's definitely the right time to learn about it. These certifications now allow me to successfully teach custom Docker, Docker Advanced, and Terraform trainings. I consider myself a technology enthusiast, and many of the technologies previously mentioned have become a focus in my career out of pure curiosity and interest. I enjoy teaching. I get huge satisfaction from seeing students becoming proficient at tasks never tackled before, and I love being the one responsible for this. Several of my 1,000 plus students have successfully used this knowledge to get either a certification or a promotion. So let's see each other again in one of our trainings and learn some fancy new technology. Thank you.